Growler Chill started out as something I just couldn't believe didn't exist. I mean, it seemed so simple. Something to keep your growlers cold, out of the fridge, ready to serve. The idea was born 2 years ago on Father's Day when my son called me up and said, "Dad, I'm looking for something like a kegerator, but for growlers, and I can't find one." I thought surely something like this has to exist, so I came across several growler-related products, but nothing solved all the issues in one device. Next thing you know, I'm cobbling pieces together in my garage, and that's where the story really begins. Growler Chill solves the growler problem. And if you drink craft beer, you know what the growler problem is. Growlers go bad, quick. There are 4 things that make beer happy. Beer likes to be kept cold, it likes to be dark, kept under pressure, and protected from oxygen. And if you think about it, those are the conditions inside a keg. Growler Chill is taking beer back to its happy place because we've engineered all 4 of those things into one convenient device.
What we really like about Growler Chill is that my husband and I, we don't have to compromise now when we go to the brewery. He really likes IPAs and stouts. I like more of a pale ale. It keeps the growlers out of my refrigerator, they last longer, and we can buy more growlers.
When you homebrew, you brew a 5-gallon batch of beer and you either bottle it, so you have 48 bottles. You also have kegerators where you have to have a refrigerator. The good thing about Growler Chill is that you can just put your corny keg in the corner and then bring your growlers out when you need them and stick 3 different growlers in the Growler Chill.
People love growlers. Oftentimes, a growler's the only option for beer lovers to bring home some of their favorite craft beers. There's so many great local breweries out there. Many of them don't offer their specialty or seasonal brews in bottles or cans. So the way to enjoy them outside of the bar is to bring them home in a growler. Most everyone, even brewers, will tell you they'd take home more growlers if they just lasted longer. Much like a 2-liter bottle of Coke, growlers lose their carbonation within hours after opening, and then your beer's flat. And nobody likes flat beer. Nobody. Growler Chill is a household countertap that holds 3 standard growlers, keeps them cold, keeps them fresh by extending the life of your beer for up to 3 weeks, and it keeps them conveniently on tap and ready to serve. Our device doesn't require any special containers or filling equipment. How does this work? When you bring your growler home, you simply take the cap off, put our magic top cap on, and then place your growler in the Virginator. The Virginator's our patented system that purges the oxygen out of the headspace of the growler, creating the same conditions in the growler that existed in the keg. Then you invert the growler and slide it into the machine. Inverting it eliminates the foam waste by drawing the beer from the bottom of the bottle. And if you choose, you can connect with our app so you can always see what you have on tap, how much is left. The smart technology also lets you adjust the temperature in the Growler Chill. Growler Chill has a self-contained refrigeration unit, works off a standard 120-volt outlet, and there's an internal CO2 supply using CO2 canisters. Growler Chill is an innovative device that will undoubtedly impact craft beer sales in growlers all over the world, since the beer will last. We set out to design a product that first and foremost solved a problem in the simplest way possible. We listened to craft beer drinkers and brewers every step of the way and integrated their ideas. We paid thoughtful attention to design details in order to create something that the end user would be proud to display on their kitchen or bar area. Sorry, microwave. And then we enhanced the product with the conveniences of modern technology and connectivity. The result is an ingenious device that is sure to bring happiness to craft beer drinkers everywhere. For the past year, we've been traveling all over the U.S. to craft beer festivals, and we've met some amazing craft beer drinkers who have cheered us on and supported us along the way. And you know, it's really their passion and enthusiasm for the product that has fueled our fast track to the finish line. Today, we are ready to bring this much anticipated household countertap to the market. Growler Chill's design and engineering is complete and ready for mass production. Our production team is on standby, waiting on us to confirm the quantity of our initial order. Now we need your help to make it happen. In order for us to deliver our first production order at the most affordable cost, we need to meet a high minimum order. We need your support by backing us. Be the envy of all your craft beer drinking friends by getting one of the very first Growler Chills. Please click below to become a backer today. Share it with your friends and your local brewery. Cheers.
Randy's first autograph. Chill. Now, what's going to be your signature thing?
Chill.